season is here, and you know what that means? It means advent calendars. And I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Pretty sure. So I've been unboxing today. It just came, so I'm so excited. ASOS. All right, let's open her up and see what we got. This is an interesting bag. Please handle with care. It's a little handle. Oh, that's neat. All right. Aha. Is this the thing that... Okay. I'm getting it. All right. Are we smushed? Because she felt smushed. Oh, Hello Fresh. You always get those little cards. Face and Body at ASOS. I hope this is the advent calendar. That's what I ordered. At least I think so. I'm thinking. Sometimes I order things in my sleep, which is probably when I ordered this. All right, so this is, okay, I'm getting to it. It's coming. It is a very crushed box. So I hope nothing in here is crushed. Or is this, no, this is not an advent calendar. Whoops. Okay, holiday gift set. That's what this is. I guess it's a holiday gift set. All right, so let's see what's in here. First thing I'm pulling out is a candle, and it's kind of, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's got all kinds of little like dents and these black squigglies in it. I'm sure it's not going to, you know, matter, to be honest with you. Bedtime Hero scented candle. Burn for a minimum of 2 hours and a maximum of 4. Ooh, it smells pretty good. But then again, it almost smells like that that Citra candle with the summer scent that's supposed to get rid of the mosquitoes. So, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna like that. We're gonna be honest. All right. Okay, let's put that down. What do we have next? By Philip Kingsley. What are you? Elasticizer. Oh my gosh. It might be some time for some readers. Elasticity and bounce to what? The deep conditioning treatment? What the hell's it for? Your skin? Oh, nope. It's for the hair. Before shampooing, thoroughly wet hair and apply in sections. Work into hair with fingertips. Cover with a shower cap. Oh, this is like a whole thing. There's a lot of steps to that. Moving on. Verb. Ghost oil. Didn't I just get one of these? I'm pretty sure I did. All right. Shine plus smooth frizz and weightless hair oil. All right. Can use that for Kayla. Okay. This is supposed to be a blending brush. Do you see a brush in there? Because I don't. Maybe it's on the bottom. No, there's no brush in here. Okay. All right. So we're supposed to get a brush. Next. All right. Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Ooh, everything is like super dirty. I guess it's because of the squigglies. This is the Marine Collagen Cream. I actually have this and have used it. So it's a pretty decent moisturizer. Elemis is a good brand. Okay. Next, Murad Hydration Exfoliating Cleanser. Love to get new cleansers. Then it looks like we got... Have you guys ordered this box before? CoverGirl Exhibitionist Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow. In the shade At First Blush. Well, I don't really... Okay. Next, Malin and Goats Mojito Lip Balm. You know, I think I paid a lot for this. Oh, here's the brush. Oh my gosh, it's little, but it is. It's a Sigma blending brush. Okay, so that's kind of like a crease brush. That's what goes in there. Next, we have by Too Faced the Better Than Sex Voluptuous Volume Mascara. Of course, it's a trial size. Then, a Charlotte Tilbury product that I'm excited for. Pillow Talk Dreams Luxury Palette. Ooh. Ooh. I'm excited. I remember when this collection came out, it was advertised everywhere. Oh my goodness, it's really tiny. It's tiny. It doesn't really look that tiny on camera, but these are 4 tiny little shadows. They are gorgeous colors. It has a mirror. It's not fake, right? It should be hers. It just looks, I don't know. I don't even know what it's supposed to look like. I mean, no, I've never had a quad from Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, so there's that. Then, e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I've already have this in the larger size. A lot of you guys like this primer. It's not my cup of tea. Ooh, there's one thing left, and it is, I have the big bottle of this. Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. So we've got like a lot of samples in here and then a few products. Well, let's just see here. For the samples, we have the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. We have the Sunday Riley. We have the Too Faced Mascara. We have the tiny little Sigma brush. I'm not counting this as full size because it's mini. Okay, and then we have the hair treatment, which is 1.35 fluid ounces. So I don't know if that's full size or not, to be honest with you. I don't know, it could be, so I really can't say too much about that. Then we have the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Liquid Glow Shadow Stick. That here is definitely full size. The Murad Exfoliating Cleanser. I've seen bigger jars, but this might be full size. Let me see. 60 ml, so 2 fluid ounces. Could possibly be, not sure. Then we have the Verb Ghost Oil, which is 2 fluid ounces. Again, I don't know if I have this exact one, the bigger jar. This is definitely full size. I know that. And the lip treatment, probably full size. And then the last, no, not the last thing. The Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Eyeshadow Quad. And then we have the candle. I have to say, this looks like there was a bunch of stuff just thrown together and they were hoping that I liked it. Now you tell me what you think down in the comments below. And if you like unboxings and all things beauty and lifestyle and fashion related, then you're going to want to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I need your thoughts. So comment down below and I'll see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.